Winter doesn't explode. It doesn't scream. It just turns the world off and waits. The power dies quietly. The heater clicks once, then nothing. Your house exhales its last warmth. Most people think cold kills fast. It doesn't. It drains decisions first. Your body starts burning calories just to exist. Shivering isn't weakness, it's fuel loss. The mistake everyone makes? Trying to heat the house. You don't heat space, you heat bodies. Science is brutal. Heat rises, cold sinks. The floor is your enemy. You move inward, one room, one shelter, one micro world of warmth. Layers beat blankets, dry beats thick. Wet is death pretending to be comfort. Your brain lies when it's cold. It tells you to sleep. That's the trap. Hypothermia doesn't feel dramatic. It feels peaceful. That's why it wins. Movement matters, but not much. Too still, you freeze. Too active, you sweat. Water becomes dangerous. Cold dulls thirst. Dehydration speeds heat loss. Candles aren't comfort. They're oxygen thieves with good marketing. Generators kill more people than cold. Carbon monoxide doesn't knock. It just ends conversations. The ones who survive do something boring. They stay calm. They stay small. They wait correctly. Winter blackouts don't test strength. They test patience. If you control heat, movement, and time, the cold runs out first.